So hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDPI King. Today we are going to discuss SNAP 2024 solved question paper which was held on December 2024 by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 Topo itself. So in this video what I am going to show you that every question how to solve is not good enough to crack SNAP and to take a 95 percentile plus in SNAP examination. But what is more important than this is you know the correct strategy and you solve with a correct approach within the time limit for the question. That will make you a 95 percentile and above holder itself. I will share my best experience for questions, quant questions, how you can approach based on the options to solve in a shortest possible time. So let us go ahead. I have solved all the questions starting from 16th onward. And today this is a question of question number 35 we are going to solve. But don't forget to see how I solved question number 34 within 20 to 30 seconds. So within 20-30 seconds you have to solve. You can watch my approach on my previous video uploaded on this YouTube channel itself. Let us go with this. Two equal glasses filled with the mixture of alcohol and water in the proportion of 2:1, 1:1 respectively were emptied into third glass. What is proportion of alcohol and water in the third glass? That thing we have to know. So in these type of things, when they say that two equal glasses, instantly you get the ratio 2:1, 1:1. What is that ratio? You make equal quantity, mean equal capacity of those glasses. For example, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 1 plus 1 equal to 2 means what? We will multiply here in first glass by 2 and multiply by 3 in the second glass. Multiplying by 2 in the first one we will get is 4, okay, and 2. Now multiplying, making equal capacity for the second glass will make what? 3:3. This is nothing but same, means 4 plus 2 equal to 6 liter capacity for first glass and 3 plus 3 equal to 6 liter capacity for the second glass. And also ratio is same. Now we will mix both of them. It will make 7 unit of alcohol in the third glass, ratio 5 unit of water in the third glass. That is your answer. Yeah, exactly, that is your answer. So in this type of question you have make two equal glasses means what? Glasses of equal capacity. So you make ratios equal, that in what ratio should maintain itself, and we can just give our quantity of alcohol and water, so that ratio will be same and just equal to another glass. So that's all from my side. I hope you like this trick and you must have enjoyed this trick. You please just subscribe to my channel, support me, and also visit my ZDPI batches. Also to enroll into SNAP 2025 courses, you can WhatsApp us at the given number. Thank you very much for joining us.